Alright guys, there's a lot of charts out there that show you what ferrous and conductivity numbers represent each target, but you don't get to hear the sounds and kind of see how it bounces around a little. So what I decided to do is make a short little video demonstrating what each target shows up as, and on the video you'll actually be able to hear what it sounds like too. So first up, we've got everyone's favorite, the pull tab. And as you see, good old 12, 24, 25. Pop tab is pretty much the same thing. 12, 24, 12, 25. Unfortunately, we've also got a very desirable men's wedding band that rings up 12, 23, 12, 22. Pretty much the same thing. Now, we also have lovely nickel, and that comes up as 1214 pretty reliably. Let's look at this gorgeous wedding band my wife was nice enough to lend out. Pretty diamonds in there. Same thing, 1212. And our good friend Foil is always looking for a good time. But this nice engagement ring. But you'd like to see that in your scoop or in your plug. 12, 26, 25, pretty reliably. And all those three rings are all 14 karat, by the way. And then I have a smaller 10 karat band, which registers 1209. So oddly enough, let's take the zinc penny. Everyone's favorite. Corrode. Not like they used to with copper. $12.37. Let's see what else rings up at $12.37. Let's take this nice Indian head penny here. Pretty similar. And let's also throw in a Flying Eagle cent. Looks a heck of a lot like a pull tab to me. Now, I've got a seated Liberty dime that was converted into a love token. So, let's see how that does. Looks a heck of a lot like a zinc penny too. All those signals you thought were safe to skip, huh? About, not a very common one, but a midnight dollar. And more desirably, at least in my opinion, about a Morgan dollar. About a Sacagawea dollar. Barber half. Walker. There's a 2-cent piece. About a 3-cent piece. Well, that's a funny reading. 1204, 1104. Doesn't that look suspiciously like foil? Foil, 3-cent piece. Doesn't that suck? Got a Susan B. Anthony dollar. Barber dime. Mercury dime. Roosevelt dime. Barber quarter. V nickel. Buffalo nickel. $20 piece. About a large cent. Heck of a lot like a $half. And a standing Liberty quarter. Washington quarter. And a good old Wheatie. And just for fun, let's see what happens when you take a whole stack of them and do them all together. So that pocket spill that might consist of Mercury dime, Roosevelt dime, Barber quarter, V nickel, and Buffalo nickel rings up kind of funny. So really, what I'm trying to tell you is you got to dig it all. And I know what a lot of you are probably thinking too. Hey, those have staples in it. Yeah, they do, but it's not affecting the reading because they're too small. Unfortunately, for example, we have this wonderful 14 karat gold earring with 9 diamonds in it. And we pass it over the coil. Bupkis. I got nothing. I did these air tests with the 10x12. Right now I'm doing it with the 11-inch. They come up almost identical. You know, maybe one number off in each direction. But for all intents and purposes, they've got pretty much the same readings. Essentially what I'm trying to tell you is if it reads 12 and under, you might as well dig it. What if we do an entire proof set at once? Now I'm truly having fun with you. But yeah, if it rings up good, you gotta dig it. I mean, I know you don't want to dig those foil signals, zinc signals, pull tab signals. I know I don't. But I learned a lot doing these air tests. I've had my E-Trac for more than a year now, and well, not more than a year, it's almost a year. And I never got around to doing it, but I'm glad I finally did, because there's some signals I never would have guessed would ring up the way they do. I mean, the 3-cent piece again is just, that's foil. I ignore that signal 9 times out of 10, because it is always foil. But that one time I skip it, it's going to be a real nice 3-cent piece. This one's from 1869, so I mean, the Flying Eagle too. It's a pull tab along with a bunch of jewelry. You just never know. Love token rings up just like a zinc penny would. I mean, what are you gonna do? Dig it all, right? And that's what they say. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. If there's anything else I can do to help any of you guys with your E-Tracs, let me know.